Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted text messages on your Android device. So let's start. First open Google Play Store and search for Super Backup and Restore app. This app is completely free with over 10 million downloads. So download it and open it right now. First tap OK. Here you will see many options. You can backup apps, contacts, call logs, your calendar, and also your SMS. Now tap on SMS. Now tap on Backup All. I'll just rename the file to SMS only. Then tap OK. Now tap on Send to Google Drive. Now select your Gmail account. Now tap on Allow. Scroll down and tap Allow again. And your SMS is now backed up. Now close this app and open the Messages app. Now I'll delete all these 3 messages. Now let's open the Super Backup app again. Now tap on Restore and tap OK. But before that, let's check our backup. Tap on View Backup and you'll find your backup file here. Now if you tap on the backup file, you'll see all your conversations. And here if you tap on the printer icon on top right corner, you'll be able to save the conversation as a PDF. Now let's go back. Now tap on Restore. Now tap OK. And then tap OK again. Now tap on SMS app. And select Super Backup as your default SMS app. Now go back and tap on Restore again. Now select your backup file. And your SMS has been restored properly. Now if you open the Messages app, now tap OK and set Messages app as your default SMS app. And you'll find all your conversation restored. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.